In this recipe, I will be showing you how to use this pumpkin for oven baked fries. If you are interested in knowing that, just keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time, please do subscribe to this channel to see our old videos and upcoming videos like this. So guys, I'm going to be adding salt, as well as hot water. As we proceed, don't forget to like this video to help this channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider doing that, please. Thank you. Just stir. I will leave it for 2 minutes, then I will remove the water. We'll be adding curry powder, I will also add chicken stock powder, black pepper. At this point, just add whatever you like. Then stir together. Maybe a little bit of salt, because I already added salt when I added hot water. And the chicken stock powder also have salt, so I'm going to taste for salt. I think the salt is perfect. I'm not going to add any more salt. So I have a little bit of oil, like vegetable oil. Just a little bit. I'm going to separate them. So the oven is already hot at 180 degrees, depending on how hot your oven is. If your oven is very hot, you can reduce it to like 160 or 150. If it's not too hot, maybe 200. So I'm not going to be using everything. I'm going to preserve the rest because it's much. I'm going to preserve this. I will show you how I'm going to preserve it. So at this point, I will be adding chicken wings. I hope you give this a try, and when you do, please let me know in the comment section how it works. If you want to know how to season chicken wings, let me know in the comment section. Then I will make a video for that. Because this chicken wing is already seasoned. And if you've not subscribed to this channel by this time, please consider doing that. And don't also forget to give me a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and families, guys. So this is the seed. I'm going to plant this seed. So I will keep it aside. When I plant it, I will let you know the outcome. I hope it go well. I don't know, because all the seeds doesn't grow in this part of the world. So I'm going to be putting it in the oven, okay? So guys, this is after 50 minutes in the oven, and it is ready to be served. You can also serve this with salad if you like to. So guys, this video is coming to an end. If you watched it this time, I would like to say thank you for watching. I can't wait to have you back in my next video. Bye.